విశాఖ విమానాశ్రయంలో ఉదయం జరిగిన గొడవపై ఎంపీ జేసీ దివాకర్ రెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
What is this? You can open and you can close that system. Issuing pass is not an issue at all. You have closed that one, you can open it. No, sir. Then he came, that gentleman, he came out. I too came out. Then I saw the other gentleman, he was doing his own business. What is this gentleman? You are doing your own business, you don't want to listen to us. You please come out. I said that, but that gentleman, in a polite way, that gentleman, he came out. Then I closed the door. Then somebody told me that Ashok Gajapati is there. And I went there and I explained to him. He called somebody, some officer after 5 minutes. That gentleman, he went. I went and sat in in that waiting hall. After some time, one gentleman came, one officer came with this one. He accompanied me. When I went there, still, passengers are in that, what is that, Aero Bridge. I went there after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. The flight started. I can't understand. Why all our media people doing hubbub? What is the matter? I never destroyed this thing. I never abused anything. I never. But I told him, when we are hearing, when we are this thing, how can you issue? Please come out. That's all.
So, sir, you are saying you haven't destroyed any printer, or you have
No, I have not destroyed.
Sir,
I came out along with that gentleman. The other gentleman, I don't know who was talking on the phone with that. Afterwards, I saw that side, this gentleman is doing his own business. Then I called him, please come out.
So you didn't abuse anybody?
No.
Sir, speaking to Times Now before, you said that you haven't touched the printer.
Yes.
And you haven't assaulted.
Yes.
But sir, Times Now has accessed CCTV footage in which you are seen pushing the official. And you are seeing breaking the printer, sir.
No.
How would you reply to this, sir?
No,
You said
no.
before that you haven't touched the printer. You said you haven't assaulted the official.
No, I never assaulted.
Both of you
I
said
never
that.
assaulted.
Sir, both.
I don't know. I am telling you very clearly. One gentleman, he came out. The other gentleman, he has not done.
You are seen pushing the official.
No.
in this
I said this way, please come out. What? You see, I am here also. Do you mean am I pushing or am I beating this gentleman? ఏమీ జరగలేదు. ఇప్పుడు విమానాలు కూడా ఎట్లయితున్నాయంటే బస్సుల కంటే అద్మానం అయిపోతున్నాయి. వాళ్ళ బుద్ధి పుట్టినట్టుగా టికెట్లు పెంచుతారు. ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళకు కూడా టికెట్లు క్యాన్సిల్ చేసో లేకపోతే ఇంకో రకంగా చెప్పి ఇంకోరిని మీరు ఇస్తున్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ బికేమ్ వెరీ రెగ్యులర్. అది తప్పు. నేను ఒకటే మీకు చెప్పేది, నేను పోయేటప్పటికి ఫ్లైట్ ఉంది, passengers they were in the want to take that one. Why don't you listen my version?
Sir, are you saying the CCTV footage is false? Are you saying
No. Listen to gentleman. One officer I never touched. The second officer who was working, I called him. He was coming. I brought him like this. And locked me.
Sir, do you want me to show you the CCTV footage in which you are manipulating?
I did not see. I am telling. I did not. You have it. You can do it whatever you want.